Hi dear students, welcome to Study of Science. In this session, I am going to teach you how to write the molecular as well as structural formula for the functional group aldehyde. Here I have some of the examples for the aldehyde functional groups: ethanal, propanal, butanal, pentanal, it continues, hexanal, heptanal, octanal, it continues. As methanal is the simplest form of aldehyde, I have not considered it to write the molecular as well as the structural formula for this session. We will start from ethanol. Okay, so the suffix for the aldehyde group is CHO. It is represented by CHO. Okay, so now I will teach you how to write the molecular as well as the structural formula. As we have ethanal, eth means 2 carbon, prop means 3, but means 4, pent means 5. The one more important thing which you have to remember here, children, the aldehyde functional group is having the carbon in it. It is having the carbon. So this carbon is also taken for the count in the longest carbon chain. As we know that the alcohol group is having the suffix OH, where there is no carbon in the suffix. The functional group does not contain the carbon, whereas the aldehyde group contain the carbon atom in the functional group, that is in the suffix. So this is also taken as count in the longest carbon chain. Okay, so now let's start writing the molecular formula. As I told you that eth means 2. So one carbon is already in the functional group, another carbon will be in the longest carbon chain. So ethanol, the molecular formula for the ethanol is CH3 CHO. It is CH3 CHO. Why CH3? Because the first member is CH4, but as we have one carbon atom in the functional group, so it is taken as count. It is taken for count. Okay, CH3CHO is the molecular formula for the ethanol. It is a molecular formula for the ethanol. So now to write the structural formula by looking at the molecular formula, it is very easy. CH3. So it is CH3, that means one carbon atom surrounded by 3 hydrogen atom, and remaining is the CHO group, that is aldehyde functional group. So CH3 CHO. This is how we write the structural formula for the ethanal. Okay, CH3CHO is the molecular formula, because as I told you that CHO is the functional group where this carbon is also taken for count. Okay, so now prop means 3. Totally 3 carbon atom. Out of 3 carbon atom, 1 carbon atom is in the functional group itself, that is in the suffix CHO. Okay, so the molecular formula for the propanol is C2H5CHO. It is C2H5CHO. So let us now write the structural formula by looking at the molecular formula. C2 plus C is C3. Okay, so now we have already got the prop. C3 means it is prop. C2H5, C21 and 2C2, and single bond between the carbon and carbon atom. We are not going to disturb the functional group. We are going to write as it is CHO. And remaining carbon atoms are surrounded by hydrogen atom. They are surrounded by hydrogen atom. Okay, so this is how we write the structural formula for the propanal. It is a structural formula for the propanal. Then coming to the butanal. But means totally there are 4 carbon atom. Out of 4, 1 is in the functional group. So it will be C3 now. So it is C3H7CHO. It is C3H7CHO. Now by looking at the molecular formula, it is very easy to write the structure. C3, 1, 2, 3 carbon atom, single bond between the carbon and carbon atom, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hydrogen. C3 over, H7 over. Now the functional group is CHO. It is CHO. Okay. So now the remaining carbon are filled up by hydrogen atoms. This is how we write the structural formula for the butanal. Okay. Bute means it is totally 4. Okay, it is totally 4. So out of 4, 3 carbon atoms are in the longest carbon chain. 4th carbon atom is in the functional group. Here also prop means totally 3. Out of 3 carbon atom, 2 are in the longest chain and 1 is in the functional group. Okay, eth means also 2. 2 carbon means here 1 is in the chain and another one is in the functional group. So moving to the next one, that is the pentanal. So pent means totally 5. Out of 5, 1 carbon is in the functional group. So it is C4H9CHO. It is C4H9CHO. By looking at the molecular formula, let us write the structure. C4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Single bond between the carbon and carbon atom. How many hydrogens? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now our functional group is aldehyde, that is CHO. It is CHO. And remaining carbon atom is now, it has to be filled up by the hydrogen. Okay. So this is how we write the structural formula for the pentanal. Pent means 5. Out of 5, 4 are in the longest chain. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 are in the longest chain and 5th one is in the functional group. So at the beginning only I told you that if there is presence of carbon in the functional group, we have to take that carbon also as count. Okay. Whenever we are writing the molecular formula or the structural formula, we have to take that carbon for count. Okay. So ethanol. Ethanol means eth means 2. Out of 2 carbon, 1 is in the chain and 1 more in the functional group. Prop. Prop means totally 3. 2 are in the chain and 1 is in the functional group. Bute. Bute means totally 4. 3 are in the longest chain and 4th one is in the functional. Similarly, the pent. Pent means totally 5. Out of 5, 4 are in the longest chain and 5th one is in the functional group. This is how we write the molecular formula and the structural formula for the functional group aldehyde. I hope I made very clear about the functional group aldehyde. That means how to write the molecular and the structural formula for the functional group aldehyde. If you like this video, please share with your friends, and if you have not subscribed to my channel till now, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell notification. That's all for this session. I'm signing off. Thank you.